In today's tutorial, we're going to show you and guide you how to turn on your TikTok profile view history completely for free. Share the video if you found value. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so step one is to open up the TikTok app. Once loaded, you want to click your profile on the bottom right hand screen, and then you want to click this on the top right hand screen, the three icons, and then click the fourth option, settings and privacy. If you click the second option, which says privacy under accounts, and then you scroll down, you will notice right here the second to last option, profile views, is currently turned on. But if it's turned off, you can click on this and it's color gray and it's turned off. And if you click on it, it's color blue. Now if we go back, you notice now when we refresh our page that this shoe icon, if we click on this, we can now see who had viewed our TikTok profile. And if we click the settings icon, we can turn this off just to verify and check. As you can see, it is disabled, and you can click turn on. And now if we refresh, it is enabled. You can now see your TikTok profile views history completely for free. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.